Hello gold trader, welcome back to my channel. I have today analysis in gold XAUUSD. You can see day one chart frame. Okay, the day one chart frame. Uh, you see this is show a head and shoulder confirm. So wait and see after bearish candle one, and you can sell and target is TP1 1810 after this level. 1 minute, this level after breakout, and mm, after this level breakout and uh, this level is going on gold, so you can trade R easily on XAUUSD on gold day one chart frame. So you have trade in gold your risk. So thank you.